In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. This process is quite handy when you need to replicate specific subtasks across different tasks without manually recreating each one. So let's dive right in. To start, you want to open up the task that contains the subtasks you would like to copy. This can be any task in your Asana project where you have already set up the subtasks. Simply navigate to the task and ensure you're in the main task view. This will give you access to all its details, including the list of existing subtasks. Once you have the task open, you will need to proceed to the next step where you right-click on the task itself. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select the Duplicate Task option. This feature is essential as it allows you to create a complete copy of your original task, subtasks included. Think of it like photocopying a document. You're making an exact copy with just a few easy clicks. At this point, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can customize your duplicated task. First, begin by typing a new title for the task. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily identify its purpose later on. In the same pop-up, you'll see various checkboxes that allow you to specify what content you want to include in the duplicated task. Typically, you'll want to ensure that the option for subtasks is selected, as this step is crucial for copying them over. You also have the flexibility to choose any other elements you'd like to carry over, like attachments or task descriptions, depending on your needs. After making your selections, the next thing you'll do is click on the Create New Task button. By doing this, Asana will immediately create a new task that includes all the subtasks you've chosen to copy. And just like that, you've successfully duplicated your subtask into a new task. It's efficient and saves you a considerable amount of time, especially if you're dealing with a large number of subtasks or recurring project components. This method becomes incredibly useful in streamlining workflow processes, providing consistency across multiple tasks, and ensuring no detail gets overlooked when you need to reproduce complex task structures. Remember, you can always modify and tailor these subtasks within the new task after duplication to fit any specific project requirements. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to efficiently copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore your Asana toolkit for even more productivity-enhancing features.